Clear storage bins. Store laundry pods and dryer sheets for easy viewing and retrieving. Detergent and laundry powder container. Easily measure out product needed. Essential storage bin for bulky cleaning bottles. Laundry powder storage container. Easy to carry around with a convenient hanging scoop. Fluted storage bins for smaller laundry items. Collapsible laundry basket. Three-in-one stackable laundry basket. Extendable dryer hanger. Perfect for towels and quilts. Hangers and clips foldable wall organizer. Keeps them all in one place. How to fix a washing machine laundry rack.